sorry everybody, that's my brother. He's a professional artiste. He's practicing. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he don't do. Let's start again. Oh, that's our favourite rap. I'm so sorry, it's my brother. He's practicing. It was dark when we did it last time. I couldn't see. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. If you've forgotten what a parrot squawk.
What a parrot squawk is?
I will illustrate that voice for you. Does the steam escaping from... He'll do a razor scraping or else a cuckoo clock. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. This is what I hear when I'm in bed. A bang! A rattle! A thunder overhead. A cat's meow. A dog's bow wow. The rest I get is when I'm dead. A shot goes crack. The gas starts glowing. A duck goes quack. A duck starts glowing. You may think I'm kidding you, but what I say is true. Just listen, I'll explain to you. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. I'm really not quite certain what to score. If it makes a noise, he'll make one too. He'll do a horse trotting down the road. He'll do the creaking and the croaking of a horny toad. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. My brother can make any noise you wish. Like two sea lions shouting out for fish. A horse is bay, a donkey is grey. Even has a noise for getting a kish. There was a time he made a bungle when as a tiger in the jungle with a mighty roar dropped dead with bullets in his head and bellowed like a cow instead. My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. He knows exactly what a popping cork is, and bubbles that come from a snorkel too. He'll imitate a setup, a but what is even better is his noise for Mickey Mouse. Oh, Pluto! My brother makes the noises for the Talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do.